Presenting the Amazon Basics 20-liter Solo Microwave that is suitable for small families with 2 to 3 members. This Amazon Basics Solo Microwave can be used for reheating, defrosting and everyday cooking like rice, pasta, popcorn and much more. This microwave comes with an easy-to-clean cavity interior, making it more hygienic. It also features large buttons and dials that are easy to use and have a long life. It also comes with a timer function to signal the end of cooking time. This Amazon Basics microwave comes with 5 power levels to suit all kinds of cooking requirements. This microwave comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product, presenting the Bajaj 17-liter Solo Microwave Oven in white color that is suitable for small families. This Bajaj Solo Microwave Oven can be used for food reheating, defrosting and cooking. This microwave comes with jog dials that make this product easy to operate and use. This microwave has 5 different power levels which allows you to control the temperature as per the cooking requirement. It is equipped with a 30 meters timer that enables you to control your cooking requirement. This Bajaj Solo Microwave Oven helps in defrosting the frozen food items quickly. This microwave comes with standard brand warranty.